We're going to look at some photos and video with an Olympus SP-565. It says right there it's got a 20 times optical zoom. I'll go ahead and turn it on so you can see that. Extend out. It's got a fairly large 2.5-inch LCD screen. You can switch over to the viewfinder only with that button there. Standard functions, automatic mode, priority mode, aperture, shutter, manual, and video. So, playback button is right there. I already shot a couple photos, but I shot this one right here on the tabletop, really close to this droid head, about 2 inches. So I thought the quality and crispness of the image being that close was pretty good. Another bonus here is the battery compartment. I'm not going to open it right now because I have a camera on. It just takes 4 AA batteries, so that's one less thing to hunt down. What was not awesome was over here, memory card. Olympus XD picture card. So I don't have a picture card adapter or anything else that uses a picture card, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to get my images off, and hopefully that's the solution right there. I'll be able to do it with that little squarish USB out. So overall, this camera did best in bright, sunny, direct sunlight situations. Overcast is a little muddy right there. Video-wise, not in this video, it's coming up in a second. There's a weird streaking overexposure section. What is that? Really bright spots. Had some glow to it. I'd like to say it's lens flare. I did not get that in any of the photographs. So I'm going to let the rest of these photos and videos play out. If you're looking at purchasing one of these cameras, I hope this video helped you learn a few things. Enjoy the rest of the video. Please like and subscribe to see more camera demos.